Welcome or welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Shali. As you guys can see by today's title, we just got done creating this look. I absolutely love it. I'm honestly feeling myself because the color combo is just my vibe. Okay, absolutely love like the browns. I don't know why, okay, because I was such a pink person, and you know, we all grow up, and absolutely just love this vibe. And of course the glitter just tops it off. So if you guys have anything in mind, make sure to send it my way so like that I can recreate it for you guys. And that is about it. Let's jump into today's video. I didn't do my brow just yet. We're gonna wait until the final look, but I did use the P. Louise base in shade number 2. I did use the Orgy palette. I think I only used one shade from the Carnival 3 palette. So this is the look we have going on. So the first shade we're gonna be taking is called Invitation Only, and it's like this brown color. So I'm gonna be using a Morphe M450, but I'm going to be stamping this right here, like a little whoop. So all I'm doing now is just intensifying the color. You wanna, of course, tap the extra access off so you have minimal fallout. So we're gonna jump right into our second shade. This is the one I applied in my color, and this is the one I'm gonna go in with my second. I'm gonna go in with yellow on the Be Perfect Carnival palette. So as you guys see, we have this blend here. It's why we have to work back and forth with blending this because it looks very much harsh. So this is how it's looking so far. All you have to mainly focus is this area right here, making sure the blend is how you want it. We're not going to focus too much on this because remember, we are going to be cutting the crease. So I am somewhat satisfied with how the blend looks. Yeah, let's just cut the crease. In with this little flat fluffy brush. This one is the Morphe M321. So I did go in with this vanilla latex. So we're just going to pat this in here. I did go like halfway in, but here you can't really tell. The next shade we're gonna go in with is actually the shade Yellow, which is this one right here. So I think I added Craving Chocolate, which is this one right here. The first one we started with. Going to be using the duo glue. For today's glitter, we're going to be using these brown fine glitter. So we're going to be using this glitter right here. The intention to this one, it's not to look too clean here and then outwards. Look at how pretty. For liner, I am going to be taking the Pharmacy ink liner. Alright guys, so we cleaned up our face. There might be a few new products I'm gonna be trying. I am glowing, girl. Today we use the Professional moisturizer. This is going to smooth your pores. This is going to hydrate your pores, is why it's looking very glowy. I do suffer from dry skin, so I need something that's going to hydrate my skin. This is actually the first time I'm trying this product, so it's a jelly consistency. It smells amazing. So let's just see how it works under the foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using will be the One Size. And you guys, if y'all haven't caught my review on this foundation, I will leave the video right here. It will be the last 2 videos or 3 videos we posted. I'm going to be spreading the foundation around. This is actually the second time I'm using the foundation because, you know, I haven't really been doing my makeup. This is a very full coverage foundation and I absolutely love it. I nailed it with my color. I didn't nail it the first time. I do suggest, if you're going to try to get your hands on this foundation, make sure you're buying it in person, so like that, you know, you're there and you're able to, you know, color match yourself. But I am going to be using a sponge. And as y'all see, instant difference. Did not fill in our brows, remember, so we don't have to be so careful in our brows. Hopefully I don't forget to fill them in. because girl, we already know the norm. We're going to be using our Morphe Filter Effect concealer, and this is in shade 16. Sorry, I know you guys can't really see me, but I honestly want to try this bronzing drop. This is from e.l.f. and I'm a little nervous to see how this would. Okay, it just popped up like this. I thought it was gonna be more liquidy. Let's just see. I'm gonna use a Real Technique brush, or I should use a sponge. I'm gonna see how this. Okay, this consistency feels really nice. Let's just see how. It would apply. I thought it was gonna be a little bit crazy looking, but it's not that bad. The lighting is probably not gonna be the greatest, so I might have to switch, you guys. I don't know how I feel about it yet. And I did add concealer, but we are gonna need a little bit more coverage, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more, or I might just add my LYS triple full coverage concealer. Going to be just adding a little bit more coverage. I don't know how I feel about, you know, blending my under eye with a sponge. I feel like that is what sucked my foundation product up. So I'm gonna be using a brush. So the first time I blended my concealer under eye was with the sponge, and it doesn't work for me, honestly. I just feel like it sucks the product too much. If you're looking for a very light coverage, I suggest for you to use a sponge. I know we look crazy, I know, but we're gonna blend everything together. And usually, like on this side of the sponge where we blended our foundation, we're going to, you know, blend that concealer in. And because we already somewhat blended that in, I'm gonna go very lightly. I do apologize, y'all was very far. But I am going to be applying my powder blush instead of liquid. So we're going to be setting our entire face, and I'm going to be using the LYS shade Translucent to set our entire face. And for this, I am going to be using a brush as well. So when it comes to pressing this powder in, you want to get a fluffy brush, so like that, you know, the product don't move. So I know this is like a tutorial, you guys. It has been a little hard for me to sit down and create because of that, you know. I am trying my best to bring what you guys asked for, but you know, it gets hard with the kids. So at this point, I had to bronze my face. I had to switch to voiceover because, girl, when I tell y'all. But I did finish my under eye, and you guys, you will not believe what happened to me. This is not happening right now. This is not happening right now. I don't know what to think right now, because it was actually one of my favorite highlighters that I was trying to like really take care of, and that happened. So at this point, girl, I was completely over it. I didn't even realize, like, when did this happen, because I don't recall. saying anything to him about this, but yeah, you guys, I just ended up, you know, just finishing the look because, girl, I was literally in shock. But as you guys see, I did finish my brows, fill them in. So we are now jumping into the lip portion, okay? And you guys, the lip choice that I chose was because I really don't have a variety of colors since I am back into creating looks. So I did have to improvise. I knew it wasn't gonna go with the look, but I really thought this last minute and I got creative. I got my eyeshadow and I think I grabbed the orange shade and the yellow shade just to create that combination that matched the eye. And honestly, you guys, I absolutely loved how it came out. Once I posted the picture, I was getting a lot of compliments and that they want the lip combo, and here you go. I actually just worked with what I had, which was my eyeshadow palette, and I made a lip concussion, okay? So yes, I hope you guys like it, and girl, we slayed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I will definitely appreciate it. When I can come and deliver these makeup looks for you guys, you all can definitely catch me in my weekly vlogs, because today was a struggle. I was this close of giving up. Baby, very much worth it, the little headache that I had to go through. And I'm just keeping it real with you guys, okay? My moms out there know the struggles. And yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. And let me just give you guys a little preview of today's look. Bye. May God bless you all in Jesus' name.